Hey guys, it's Central Coast Boys here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to easily change your interior lights in Ford Falcon, particularly this model and FG. So I've already changed the two front ones. I'm changing them from halogen to LEDs, as I personally just think they look better and they are slightly brighter. So basically all you really need tool-wise is just a sharp knife or a sharp object that you're able to easily get into the corner of these plastic covers, and obviously your bulbs. That's it. So get your knife or your sharp object, whatever you've got, and you're going to want to go into the side here, and all you want to do is get it up a little bit and then pull it back slightly, not too hard, and it will click down. Now sometimes if you're lucky you can get it out just by getting that one side out. Don't force it, be very delicate and careful with it as they can break easily. Alright, so you can see I can't get out, so I'm now going to go to this side, pop that side out, do the same. Oh, there we go. Try not to do that, if you can. Alright, so now you can see the bulbs in there. This is the old bulb that should be in yours if you haven't changed them before. So, to get this out, just easily grab it and pull. Try and use this hand as I'm left-handed. Pull it out and there you go, it's out. Easy to do, easy peasy. Alright, so the particular LEDs I'm using are of this shape. There is a few different ones you can get. It doesn't really matter what ones you're using, just as long as they're made to fit these lights, they should go in, no problems at all. But this is the type that I'm using, so I just thought I'd show you. Alright, so you see up here there's a little slot. You get it, slide in there, and it's going to be you might put it in the wrong way, it's not going to matter, but just slide it up into there, get it up there like that. Now I'm just going to check if they're working, because LEDs do only work with a particular way of how you put it in, so I'll just check. Alright, so you can see it's not working. Them ones there, that's what they look like once they're in, but I'll show you that after I do these. Okay, you can see that it's not working, so I'm going to take it out. Simply flip it around and put it back in that way, and it should work. Better turn them off actually, not that it matters, but right, so slide it back up into there. Alright, so now it should work. Yep. Nice good LED working. Alright, now I'll show you how to do the other one. Same thing, easy. Get this side off. Pull it back. Okay. This side down. There we go, caught that one. Take that bulb. It is a bit hot, as it is a hot day, so just be careful of that before you go grabbing them. Try and get this out. I might use this plastic actually, as it is a bit hot. Okay, it's out. See, it's really easy to do. You just got to pull it. Get your globe. Slide it up in there. Now let's see if that's the right way first time around. No. Unlucky both times. Alright, so we'll just, it's alright, swap it around. Just turn it around like that. Up there. Slide it in, make sure they're up there firmly, like don't push on them too hard, but just hard enough to make sure they're in there. Second time lucky. Alright, so both working, looking good. Fronts, I won't show you how to do these obviously as I've already done it, but it's the exact same thing guys, so just repeat that method on the fronts or your backs if you're doing both or whatever. Alright, now to get these covers back on, they're also really easy. What you do want to note, you want to make sure you put the right covers back on, so obviously you want the left cover on the left side, the right on the right, vice versa. These have got a little logo symbol up here with which one's which. You can see this is the right side, so I'm going to go putting this side on first. So this, where the right logo is, that goes on the outer side up here like that, and you want to try and get it in that hole up there. So you get it up there like that, click it up, and the rest should just click in like that. Now with this one, you can see this is the left hand side, same thing. Get that bit up there, try and click it up, push it in, make sure they're all up there and clicking in properly, and that's it guys. That's how you change your lights. Hope this helped, and thanks for watching. Cheers.